In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho Books. If you're new to this online accounting software, don't worry, we'll guide you through the initial setup and help you manage your business financials with ease. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser on your device of choice. Head over to the Zoho Books website to log into your account. You'll need your username and password, so have those ready. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process, and soon you'll be ready to dive into the world of online bookkeeping. Once you're logged in, the next step is to set up your company profile and preferences. Your company profile is crucial because it holds all your business information. Click on the Settings option, and from there, you can input details like your business name, address, and contact information. This helps you maintain consistency across all your documents. In the Preferences section, you'll make the application work for you by setting your default currency, your fiscal year, and any other specifics that match how your business operates. Tailoring these preferences right from the start will make future tasks flow much more smoothly. With your profile in place, it's time to add customers, vendors, and products. Navigate to the Contacts tab where you'll find options to add customers and vendors. Enter all pertinent contact information to keep communications seamless. This section also allows you to assign payment terms to each customer to fit your business needs. Next, for adding products, look for the Items tab. Here, you can list all the products or services your business offers. Provide details like descriptions, pricing, and any applicable taxes. This initial setup helps you efficiently manage orders and inventory down the line. Now that your contacts and products are in the system, you'll want to create invoices and record payments. Go to the Sales tab and select the option to create a new invoice. Here, you'll choose the customer you're billing, the products or services they've purchased, and any relevant terms. Once you've double-checked everything, you can save or send the invoice directly to your client. After sending out invoices, recording payments is just as simple. Once a client pays an invoice, return to the same menu, find the invoice, and mark it as paid. This will keep your accounts up to date and give you a clear view of who's still owing. Lastly, tracking expenses and generating reports can give you the financial snapshot you need. Head over to the Expenses section where you can log your outgoing money. This could include office supplies, travel expenses, or any other costs. Keeping on top of these entries means no surprises when it comes time to review your financial health. And of course, Zoho Books offers a robust reporting feature. Here you can generate a variety of reports that provide insights into your income, expenses, and overall financial status. It's a fantastic tool for making informed business decisions. By following these steps, you'll establish a solid foundation on Zoho Books that'll help streamline your financial tasks. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your business with ease.